Oh, hey guy, come on in. Welcome to Harley Davidson. How can I help you find your freedom today? Oh yeah, hey guy. So I'm looking for a new bike and I want some power. I want some just raw energy. I want to be able to turn heads when I'm riding by. Nah, screw that, brah. I want to snap necks when I'm racing by people with my new bike. So what do you got for me? What do you got in the lineup? What's new? What's exciting? What's just going to make me want to just go all in? What's good? What do you got for the new panty dropper? Let's see that, man. Oh, let me tell you, we have got a nice throwback in our enthusiast line that harkens the days of muscle cars and just power and stuff. You are gonna love this bike. Ah, throwback to the muscle cars, huh? So what's this got? Does it have the big sticky tires? Well, no, it doesn't have big sticky tires. Does it have a turbo? No, we didn't put a turbo in it. What about more power? No, we didn't add any power from the current ST line that it's built upon. Does it have upgraded suspension? No, we did not change the suspension at all from the current ST suspension. What about drag bars for when I'm racing? No, still the same handlebars that you get on all of our bikes. Is it lower to the ground, like a meaner stance? No, we definitely didn't lower it or any. I mean, we really didn't change anything. All right. Well, at least, so you're doing the whole muscle car thing. So what do we got? Camaro red, Mustang red, that really badass purple that Plymouth used to use back in the day. Just a nice sexy black. What are we talking? We painted it baby blue and we put racing stripes on it. Baby blue? Is this a newborn baby? What are we talking about? Does it come with a rattle? Racing stripes, that's it? Are you kidding me? You just sell normal bikes with racing stripes. I've seen the bikes with racing stripes on them. And you're telling me that this is different? Oh, hold on to your socks, because I'm about to knock them right off of you. These bikes are called the Fast Johnnie. Oh, yeah, Fast Johnnie. Yeah, I heard of that guy. Yeah, he's actually related to my third cousin, second removed, Slow Mike. Know all about that dude. No. Fast Johnnie's not your cousin. He's actually a pig mascot that we had from back in the day. And wait, no. Fast Johnnie is a pig? We took a vinyl sticker of him and put him on the side of the tank so you can look at him. It's pretty cool. What do I need a sticker of a pig on the side of my tank for? Dude, I could have did that myself. My cousin Mike over there, he makes vinyl racing stripes. I can buy any color I want. And he'll put racing stripes on it for mad cheap. What are you talking about here? Your cousin cuts racing stripes. Let me tell you, he has nothing on the way we cut vinyl racing stripe stickers. These things are special because these come from Harley. All right, look, whatever. So it's the enthusiast line. You threw some stickers on it. Whatever. This has got to be a pretty limited bike, right? Of course these bikes are limited. Let me tell you, they are serialed and limited to 2,000. Oh, 2,000. That's kind of an odd number, though. You're putting this on the whole ST line of 3 bikes. How do you go and divide 2,000 by 3? Someone's getting left out in this, right? Well, no. It's actually 2,000 per bike, so 2,000 road glides, 2,000 lowriders, and 2,000 street glides, all in the ST line. 2,000 per model, so you're making 6,000 baby blue bikes with stickers of racing stripes on them? What the hell is going on, man? How is that badass? We serialed each one. This is a big deal, man. There's 6,000 of these. That's not limited. That's not special. You made baby blue bikes with stickers of racing stripes and a pig on it. And you better hurry and snatch these up quick. Why don't you do something good about the bike? Why don't you beef up the engine or put LEDs in it or something like that? This is stupid, brah. Oh, come on, 6,000 isn't that bad, man. This is for the enthusiast line. This is for the enthusiasts, the people who want to be on bikes. This is a very special line. This is definitely outside of like other people who are just buying bikes, but they're not so enthusiastic about it, like the enthusiasts that buy the enthusiast line. I don't think you realize how special it is to be an enthusiast and buying one of these very limited 6,000 pieces of enthusiast bikes, let me tell you. All right, look, whatever, man. How much is it? Oh, well, it's the exact same price as an ST, plus like another $2,000 because this is a very special paint, and you know, these are very special custom cut vinyl stickers. Yeah. 33,000 for a Road Glide ST? Are you kidding me? Look, when you guys put out the ST like last year, you were like, oh, this is a platform to build on. Who puts out a $33,000 unfinished bike? Are you kidding me? Like, what kind of like just crack are you guys smoking? How much paint are you huffing back there? You must be seriously the worst day drinkers on earth. Have you guys considered AA? Like, seriously, you are out of control. $33,000 for a bike like that you want me to then put more parts on? Are you insane? Oh, come on. $33,000 for a platform to build off of. It's no big deal. Come on, we actually have a whole separate section of our catalog of parts you can order and put on this bike. We'll even finance them right into the same loan that you're taking out for this $33,000 bike. And it's going to be simple for you to get in, like, no problem. I mean, we could definitely finance it at like 20% over 7 years. Look, man, look, you guys have just gone like full-blown crazy. Like, you are in the crazy race. You are just lapping yourselves now. And how do you expect to even sell this bike? Like, your marketing department, let me let you in on something. They are stupid. You guys are putting out bikes every few months, and a lot of times it's the same bike with a different paint job. Why would I buy anything right now when the year isn't over yet and you're still dropping more bikes? Why wouldn't I just wait till the end? You're not making this like so people want to buy stuff when they come out, because it's just going to be like, well, let's see what happens 3 months from now, another 3 months from now. Like, there's nothing here, especially with the new CVOs being leaked out where you can see that you've completely redesigned them. So why am I going to buy this bike where you're still putting light bulbs in the directionals when I know that you have full LEDs right around the corner? And hell, I can wait a year or two and you'll probably just trickle it down to like the ST line and stuff like that. You guys are failing hard here. Like, you need to just fire your marketing team, because they are drunk. They are so drunk, and they are huffing all these paint colors. I don't know, maybe that baby blue you put on these bikes does extra brain damage, because the things they're doing now are just dumb, man. Like, how did you not think this through? And again, why would I buy this? I can just wait 3 months when you release some other enthusiast line that's like the Dark Knight series or something, covered in Batman or who knows what, but probably not a picture of a pig that's a sticker. All right, man, whatever. I don't care. You know what? I'm out, bro. I'm out of here. Come on, don't leave. Come back, come back. You're going to love this bike. Seriously, maybe you're not an enthusiast after all. Maybe you are not a motorcycle enthusiast. Jerk. Well, somebody's bound to buy one of these bikes, I guess. No. Hey guys, I hope you like that one. Harley, what are you guys doing? Like, honestly, I find the enthusiast line to be just the dumbest thing Harley's currently doing. Last year they did the enthusiast line, and it was all like military sort of themed colors on like a bunch of the bikes. Like, they did like that olive green and the star and all that, which I found kind of dumb because they've just done that before. It didn't have to be an enthusiast line. I remember like some of the Softails and stuff had it a few years back. Wasn't an enthusiast line. It was just like, get this bike it's cool. And then somebody was like, hey, what if we number those and then jack up the price a little bit and we call them enthusiasts? I'm like, what is that? Harley they are getting out of control with all of these serial bikes. It is just absolutely insane. And the more and more of these they do, I feel like the less and less they're going to sell, because like when they're announcing their new lineup first thing in the year, no one's going to buy that knowing that there's going to be like variations of that line coming out for the rest of the year. So why buy this vivid black Road Glide when in 3 months you're going to get a baby blue one, and then 3 months after that you might get an all chrome one, or you know, so on and so forth. This is just nuts on Harley's part. Whatever, man. If it's working for him, I guess that's fine. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that one dork you know who's like, an enthusiast line? I happen to be an enthusiast. I should go buy that. He loves this stuff, trust me. And I'll see you all on the flip side.